Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. What are the messages for Cancer Water Sign? Messages for Cancer Water Sign. Cancer, under the deck, Three of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the Star. So right now, for some, you are in separation with this person. For some, there are some issues going between you and your person. But things will turn into your favor in near future. Definitely some positive shift is coming. Yeah, right now maybe the situations are not under your control, but in future things will turn out into your favor. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Pisces. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Five of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and High Priestess. High Priestess, you started listening to your intuition. Your higher guides are with you. I think you are taking your control back because they ghosted you, they rejected you. They were not treating you well. They were not treated you well in past. Cold shouldering. At the same time, there is no partnership between you and your person. That's why you are taking your control back. You are a very honest person in this connection. Cancer. And present Eight of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. So you're feeling stuck. You're still feeling the energy of rejection. There is no partnership and there is no collaboration between you and your person. And spying. Maybe they are spying on you or you are spying on them on social media. Children's also involved in this connection. Then future, King of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the Moon. For some, a brand new person is coming into your life to offer their cup of love to you. But you are guarded up right now. You are not opening up anybody emotionally because due to past hurts, you are now guarded up. There are some issues between you and your person, especially trust issues, some illusions, some arguments. Still, maybe for some you have strong emotions towards your person still, but you are guarded up right now. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you, Cancer. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, yeah, spying. Maybe you both are spying on each other online. Especially they are spying on you and they're very attracted to you. Yeah. For some, your person is very independent. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Cancer. I think they did hurt you in past. For some, this person is sneaky, played games with you, always in and out of your life, miscommunication, false communication, Seven of Swords energy. But now they are coming back with an apology. Text is coming. They're very, very attracted to you. They're wishing for this connection. Yes. Now they're realizing their mistake. Cancer. So they wanna come back with an apology and they're very attracted to you. But again, red flag, this person may be not trustworthy. So let's see their intentions. Cards are just jumping. King of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Three of Cups, Eight of Swords and Chariot. Right now your person feeling stuck. That's why maybe they're not taking any action towards you. Yeah, they wanna come back and but they're feeling stuck. That's why they're waiting for divine timing. Wheel of Fortune is here and Three of Cups. They want reconciliation with you. So for some you will receive some text or communication from your person, and for some it will take some time, because right now your person waiting for right time, and for some third party involved in this connection. But your person feeling stuck, but after that energy they will make a move. The Chariot again slow moving, and Ace of Cups. They do love you, and yeah, the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. It's could be another Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Right now they're not talking to you. Right now they're thinking about you a lot. Right now your person doing meditation to heal their self completely. And Chariot, yes, they're planning to come back, but again they're slow moving energy. Right now your person feeling overburdened. It could be due to their emotions or their family or the work responsibility. For some right now your person busy with their work, heavy work. Yeah, but they're planning to come back. You are taking your control back now. You are no more dependent on anyone. Yes, because Nine of Swords energy, they always putting you in thinking. Now you are fed up with this energy, anxiety, depression type of energy. So now you are trying to overcome this energy, and you will, because the strength card is here. You have the strength. Yes, you are also going some meditation to heal yourself from this energy, Nine of Swords energy. Yeah, they are, because they are always in and out of your life. Yeah, so you both may be undergoing some transformation. So you both are in the process of making decision judgment. For some, one person going through some legal issues. Nine of Cups, yeah, love is there, wishing is there, but some decision making is here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Cancer. I'm serious about you. Passion. Past life connection. I can't let you go. And reconciliation, marriage. So for some there will be reconciliation. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, this is the message for you. First you have to step out of your comfort zone and be consistent in your hard work. So let's see another message. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. See, these two cards are correlated, because first you have to prepare a plan, then You have to step out of your comfort zone and do consistent hard work. Then you will achieve whatever you want. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.